Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen. Today we are going to make a flower gift for Mother's Day. Enjoy the video. Today I'm going to make a flower gift for Mom for Mother's Day. It's very beautiful and easy to make. To make this, you need different colors of felt fabric, pencil and paper for making your patterns, something round to draw the flower, thread and needle, different colors, pins and scissors. Draw a circle, take anything round and then draw a circle like this, and here draw hearts. Okay, like that, and cut. Okay, take this aside and take the circle. Take yellow felt, but any color is okay, and put on fold. Put on fold. Place your circle, pin and cut. Take these half hearts and choose any colors. So choose 4 different colors. I'm going to use this one. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to use blue. Okay, so put on fold, and cut, pin and cut. Okay, like that, and go ahead and cut. Okay, like that. So it's going to be something like this. Take blue thread and thread your needle. Okay, so take the blue one, remove pins, and sew from here to here. Okay, and do a blanket stitch. Okay, when you get to this point, open here and put some stuffing. Like this. Alright, and close up here. Here you can do a running stitch. Okay, like this. So go ahead and do the same for 1, 2, 3. Okay, all 4 of them are done. Okay, take the center piece, remove pins. Okay, so now you're going to sew right round, but you're going to put these inside like this and then sew. Subscribe. Okay, when you get to this point, take your stuffing and open and insert. Okay, like that. It's stuffed, so now put here. And sew. Okay, so this is done. Now on a piece of paper, draw a stem like this one, but any shape is fine, and then cut your stem on a green fabric. Okay, it's done. So now attach here. Anyway is fine. You can attach here or here. Okay, so sew here. Subscribe. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Maita basane kuona. Mite kurete arigato.